I definitely need the most pressure and the hottest water possible, because I don't know if you guys see my previous video, this thing is bad. I'm actually gonna remove this trim right here. It's pretty easy to remove this trim. You just kind of like bring this back and then push this forward. I'm trying to get in all in there. I'll probably put these back on when I get back. I don't want to take them off at the car wash and forget them over there. That always, I mean, that happens pretty often. So this thick seam right here, you just kind of bring this back a little bit. You just pull it forward. This is actually the first time I really drive this car, and the thing's running really lean. Like it's like it's kind of cutting out. I already knew about that. The previous owner told me it needs a tune, and fuck yeah, the car needs a tune pretty bad. Like just buttering, but the tuning's gonna be the last thing. That's like the last thing. Main thing is cleaning this car up. You want to make this car look really good when it's on the dyno, like really good, and definitely has the potential to do it. Just gotta give it some love. Oh shit. Got it. I use this stuff at the dollar store. It's called the Awesome. It's only $1. Like literally, it's only $1. And this stuff works so good. Like it works really good. But yeah, so here we are at the car wash. I'm gonna clean the engine bay. Clean the best I can the wheels. I'm actually gonna use this brush. I do not recommend using this brush ever at a car wash. But the only reason I'm gonna do it is because I'm trying to get everything off the car. Like I'm trying to get as much as I can off the car for when I do the paint correction. So when it comes to a car like this, I don't see why it would really be a problem. Just, you know, scratch everything. I mean, yeah, this stuff literally does scratch. So literally just try to get everything we can off the car, as much as we can off the car. And yeah, we just got to do that before we do the whole paint correction. You know, you don't want to get your buffing pad or cutting pad all full of dirt. You could have easily scrubbed off with that brush. But yes, I do not recommend using this brush ever. But today I'm going to use it because this car needs it. Definitely needs it. It's already starting to look really good here. Got all that stuff off right there. Engine bay starting to look white again. They don't look cream color no more. cleaned up really nice. I'll show you guys really quick. I recommend you guys stay tuned. I'm gonna tell you guys all about this engine. This engine is like fully built. Like, I went over the receipts, not last time, but the night before, and I started looking through the receipts, and it's definitely worth you guys hearing about this car. Like, this car does not look like it has what it has. Like, this car was built to be a straight sleeper, and honestly, that's the way it's gonna stay. I'm gonna leave it the way it was meant to be built. But yeah, stay tuned for that video. I'm gonna do like a full detail on the whole engine build and what's all done to it, and all the money that's put into it, because we got a stack of receipts with a lot of money into the car.